Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Steam Deck OLED step by step clearly. To set up your Steam Deck OLED, begin by unboxing the device carefully. Remove all protective coverings from the Steam Deck. Next, locate the power adapter and connect it to a power source. Plug the other end into the charging port on the Steam Deck. Press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds to turn on the device. Once the Steam Deck powers up, select your preferred language from the list. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by selecting your network and entering the password. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the Steam Deck will check for software updates. If updates are available, follow the prompts to download and install them. Once updated, you'll reach the Steam login screen. Enter your Steam account credentials to log in. If you don't have a Steam account, follow the prompts to create one. Next, familiarize yourself with the main interface. Navigate through the game library and familiarize yourself with the layout. To customize settings, go to the Settings menu. Adjust control mapping to suit your gaming preferences. Explore the graphics settings to optimize performance for your games. If you're using external peripherals, connect them now via Bluetooth or USB. Test your controls by launching a game from your library. Adjust volume levels and audio settings for an optimal gaming experience. Finally, fully charge your Steam Deck before extensive use. With these steps, you're ready to enjoy gaming on your Steam Deck OLED. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.